So it's Wednesday, the 30th of September 2009, and I've volunteered to crew on the Wanda. He says, "Do you like getting wet?" I said, "Well, I like sailing. This is a wet boat. Half the weight and twice the sail area of a tartan 10. We should be zipping along pretty soon." So the word is, that's a big centerboard with a big, can you see the bulb on the bottom? For real deep. And the back of the boat, we have an outboard motor to get out, 6 horsepower looks like. The back of the boat is wide open. That's to let the water drain out, I presume. Okay. It's wide open, let the water drain out. Or let it in. And we're expecting it to be pretty wet today, right? Sure. Excellent.
Sunday was breezy.
So it's quite the adventure here. We've got the crane, which we're going to use to lift the boat and put it in the water. Here you can see the boat pretty well. It's got a lifting lines already rigged, I think. Ready to go. So it just lifts right off the trailer. And it's just swung out over the water and dropped in. And you can tell it's got a Kevlar main and a Kevlar jib. And it is really quite a racing boat. And are we floating? Not yet. But now we are. You can always tell the really serious racers because they have these special Kevlar sails. Unbelievably expensive, and they don't last that long, but boy are they good. Because they don't stretch, right? And we're underway. Christian, and Tom, and Peter, and Larry. Is that right?
Yeah.
And Bill. And we are underway on the Wendy. Did I say Wendy? I meant Wanda. That's what I meant. Better? Well, we've still got some land to try to get the skipper and the owner and the helmsman. Steve setting the jib. Tom and Bill having fun and getting wet. So my friend Judy is out racing tonight, I think on that boat. This is what they look like in the rearview mirror.
Very sloppy and crappy. Kind of a nice finish too. We were able to kind of blast over that tartan 10 there, or whatever that is that followed right behind us. Right.
So
I think it was a 105. 105.
Too dark for a movie. Yeah. But the race is over and we came in second, right?
Correct.
Excellent. You can see the jib lit up by the port bow light. Very cool. And the lights of the city. The outboard is on and we're heading in. It's a good day of sailing. And there are parts of my pants that aren't wet yet. So, a post-sail operation is to roll the mainsail. Can you see it at all? The Wanda is a Viper 830. So we're at the yacht club having a dark and stormy, and this is some kind of black stripe rum and ginger beer. Gosling's black stripe rum and ginger beer. Oh yeah, that's good. That's very good.
It's a good night. Good Wednesday night series.
It was a good night. Thanks for watching. We came in second place. Thanks for watching the video, YouTubers.